Hey guys, welcome back to finally another Perler Beading video. Today we're making this super cool Hot Wheels styled car that's perfect for beginners because it's slow on beads, snaps together really well, and personally I think looks really cool. And now without further ado, let's get started. Here are all the pieces. They're pretty simple. Now this is the compound part. As you can see, it has a regular part as well as two sides that are fused onto it at 90-degree angles. First, make the part where you see the holes in, which is just the regular piece. Afterwards, we're going to make both of the side parts, which are basically a 3-bead line with 1 bead sticking out. After you make all 3 pieces, you want to snap them in like you usually do. But this time, you want to iron the bottom so that they fuse together. This is so that the top of the roof doesn't wobble around. Now, we're going to take the side panels of a car and as well as the bottom panel, and we're just going to snap them together, making sure that the white bead is facing the front, as this is one of the headlights. Make sure to put your pieces under weight so that they don't bend while they're cooling. Otherwise, the final model will look slightly bent. Here we're taking the bottom of the tires. This is just to thicken them up. Otherwise, it just looks like we added bike tires onto a car. Now we're just going to repeat the same step on all 4 wheels. Now, taking the front bumper, we're just gonna stick it into the front. This is one of the parts that adds a pretty cool touch to the car. Now, we're gonna take the panel that's gonna be right behind the bumper and we're just gonna plop it right in place. Now we're gonna take the back divider. This is just so that both of the panels don't start angling inwards. Now we're gonna take both of the side intakes and as well as the front hood and the back part, and we're just going to stop them in, making sure that the single black bead is at the back. Personally, I think this is one of the coolest parts of the car as it adds a really cool sporty touch to it. Now we're just going to pop it in, make sure that it clicks to ensure a good fit, and now we're almost done. Now we're going to take the back lights and snap them right behind the black divider. Now taking the compound piece as well as the top of the roof, we're just going to snap them together, making sure they're flush against each other. This is so that the top of the roof doesn't wobble around while we put it together. And now we're done. I hope you all enjoyed this Perler Beading video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, as well as comment what you want me to make next. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.